Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires rib unboxing. I have had this bag for about 18 years, purchased the bag in 2002. I used this bag for several times occasionally, so it comes with the LV original gift box with LV blue ribbon. So let's take a look right now. So it comes with the original tissue paper with LV logo on it. Oh, and the receipt. And the dust bag. And I still have these tags with me. So let's take a look with the Pochette leather, because I have been using this bag for several times already. So you would see the Pochette leather has changed some colors. But look at all this hardware. It's really nice. Even though it's been for many years. So look at the zipper too. It's really smooth. I love this little bag. So, and deco is inside here. So I want to show you a little bit about like adding accessories on the bag. So it looks really cute and very nice and elegant too. Let's take a look. Yeah, I love to have the plastic protector on the strap if I don't need to use the bag. Can you guys believe, like 18 years of this bag? But look at this. It keeps pretty new, like new condition. So quality of the bag is quite good. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have any comments, please leave a comment on there, and I'll try to answer you guys as soon as possible. And I hope you like my video, and please like it and subscribe. Have a good day.